जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. To mark the 150th birth anniversary of Bhai Vir Singh, I share 5 notions with 5 seeker personalities in our prevalent world culture today. My plea to the lovers: let us feel his intimacy, how he sensitively presents each relationship, natural, spontaneous, and fulfilling. It is trembling and sensual, yet far from vulgar. Will we experience it? My plea to the writers: let us feel his vocabulary, how he chooses the most apt words, rich, powerful, and relatable. It is a labor of love and devotion, but not for awards or recognitions. Will we write it? My plea to the critics: let us feel his oneness, how he navigates muddy and bloody times, intently influencing those who worked with and against British India, all to secure freedom. Will we decipher it? My plea to the elites: let us feel his vision, how to build institutions in Punjab, schools, colleges, press, bank, newspapers, all towards self-reliance and sovereignty. Will we revive it? My plea to the Sikhs: let us feel his Sikhi, how he became like a Koankar. Imperfections and flaws started to leave as he was becoming vast, because Naam infused him, Sabad chiseled him. Will we live it? I end with an excerpt from Guru Granth Sahib, where infinite wisdom is treasured in Shabad. A rare personality on this earth is cited, Jin chakhya se jantriptane, Puran Purukh nahi dolane. The line says that those who tasted Ekoankar's Naam, which is that those who identify with the creative and pervasive one force, they are quenched or satisfied. They are complete or realized beings, and it is those individuals who do not waver. We do. Bhai Vir Singh was such a rare earthling. May we aspire to become like Bhai Vir Singh, who continues to be the brother for the seekers. That's the Bhai part. The warrior for the seekers. That's the Veer part. And the tiger for the seekers. That's the Singh part. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.